Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm not sure if you guys have heard about this or not, but there is a school district that's going to be replacing 30,000 Windows PCs and Chromebooks with Apple devices. Now, like I said, I kind of thought maybe this was just like a rumor, but then I came over here and I looked on the Kansas City Public Schools website, and I actually found the story right here. I made a video talking about this, and in the video, I'll be honest, I was like, yeah, they're going to do it, not that big of a deal. This is actually kind of a big deal. 30,000. They're replacing 30,000 Chromebooks and PCs with MacBook Neos. And not only that, you got to hear this. Our decision to become an all Apple district. This is the Kansas City Public Schools. This is from May 19th. All right, so Kansas City Public Schools is proud to announce that we are transitioning to an all Apple district. I mean, that is an announcement right there. That's just not something little. And you do know, and this is only Kansas City. You do know that there's, we got to look into this, but there's probably a lot more schools that are going to be doing this. All right. As our enrollment rates continue to rise, district leadership is investing in student technologies that meet the needs of today and grow alongside the needs of the future. Okay, look, I'll be honest with you guys. I'm also heavily vested in the Google ecosystem, and the Google ecosystem it's useful, it's readily accessible, whether you use a iPhone, an Android, Windows, whatever, it's there. So they're saying that to meet the needs of today and grow alongside the needs of the future, all right? That should tell you something right there in that statement alone. And they also said, over time, we will replace more than 30,000 Windows PCs and Chromebooks with the more secure, durable, and reliable Apple devices. That is a statement, people. That is a huge statement, all right? Students are now proud of their schools because they have the best products, says Kansas City Public School Chief Technology Officer Scott Jones. I'm going to tell you guys something right now, and I know something. Look, my son just graduated high school. I know how these kids think, and it's all about this right here. It starts right here. Now, some of you might disagree that you're probably going to say, oh, they're just pandering to the kids because they only want to use Apple products. I don't know. I do not know the exact reason why this is going on, because personally, to me, the Google ecosystem is, like I said, very efficient. You can use it with anything, but this is what's happening right here. And I'm just letting you guys know that this is official as it gets. They're not joking around, okay? So this isn't a rumor. This isn't just like Apple fanboyism. This is happening. It's real. Let me know in the comments how you guys feel about this. All right, everybody. Bye.